The Mamelodi Sundowns goalkeeper Roman Williams has given his thoughts on the recent changes to the technical team at the Mamelodi Sundowns FC. Sundowns announced the arrival of the Portuguese mentor Miguel Cardoso on Tuesday as he replaced Mangoba Mneti, who took charge of the team before the start of the campaign after Rulani Mokona left. At this point of Mneti's departure, Sundowns occupied top spots in the Betway Premiership and has just lost out on two cup competition, of which are MTN 8 and Carling Blakely Bull knockouts. Roman Williams said, "Obviously, it has been an interesting week. We lost technical team members that were here for a long time, but we've gained new technical team members now. We have to be more professional, and that's exactly what we've had. We've welcomed the technical team with open arms, and they got a warm reception. You can see the energy in the team and everyone is happy. We are looking forward to get the new tenor going up and going," Williams said. It's been an uncertain few months at Sundowns, with the coaching changes which has unusual of the clubs over a period of about 11 years. William continued saying that obviously it's not easy because they get attached and Obviously, it's not easy because they get attached at Sundowns. The first thing is the brotherhood. We want that family orientation. When we lose certain family members, it's not easy. We need to be professional. In the beginning, it was tough, but the guys know that they have a job to do, and that's what for Mamelodi Sundowns to be at the best level possible. We can't question the decision. We can just do what we can, which is to take the Mamelodi Sundowns to the level it should be. That's it for today. Please place your view on the comment section. I will see you on the next video. Ciao.